Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In the previous videos we discussed about some key points of quadratic equations, right? So we'll continue with the same. So here the quadratic equations of class 10th, sixth point. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, it becomes a linear equation, guys. And a comma b comma c belongs to real number set, where a comma b comma c are the coefficients or multiple factors of the given equation. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then how can we find the roots of that? Sum of the roots is taken as alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. That is, how can we simplify this one? That is minus of coefficient of x by that is b value by coefficient of x square, that is x square coefficient, that is a value, in nothing but sum of roots. Product of roots is denoted by alpha beta, that is c by a, where c is nothing but constant term, that is c value from the quadratic equation, and the coefficient of x square, that is multiplying factor of x square, that is a, c by a. I hope you understand this concept. We'll continue further in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Thank you.